Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a piano kind of start drop, like James Hype's track, I Was Loving You. So the final result will sound like this. So we'll be making it completely from scratch, so first gonna make bass, then the chords, and then the drums. So let's start off with the bass. We're gonna use a one shot from Splice to get that analog bass sound. So we'll be using this one. I'm using it off my deep house track, so just a really clean bass sound. So we're gonna drag it in, sounding like this. I just added a MIDI in, so let's copy it over. So make sure to avoid overlapping notes by putting up the crossfade a little bit. Then we're gonna process it. So just some sidechain, short one, some OTT, boost the mids a little bit, some EQing. We're gonna boost that plug sound of the bass line, because in the original track there's more emphasis on that, so let's bring it out a little bit more. Let's roll off everything below 20 Hz and shape the stereo image. So just make sure to put it in mono. And open up the top ends a little bit. And then to finish it off, we're gonna add some compression. Just something like this. So that's the bass sound. Now we're gonna make a piano sound. So now let's have the piano sound. It's N1. It's a classic deep house sound. So we're just gonna use that N1 preset. It's the fellow piano sounding like this. So that already sounds kind of close to the end result. Just gonna shape it a little bit more. Some sidechaining, some low cuts to make room for the bass line. I'm gonna boost the high ends a little bit. Gonna add some OTT, some more compression, just with a quite slow attack, just to put a punch more, just to get more punch for the piano sound, and add some reverb and late finish stuff. So we'll be using the Valhalla for that, sounding something like this. Slowing down the volume a little bit. So together with the bass line, it sounds like this. So now the only thing that's left to make is the drum sounds. So let's dive for that. So now let's make the drum sounds. We're gonna be using a sample pack that we recently put up for sale. So I think there's a lot of quality in the pack. So first gonna start off with a kick. Just a little bit too long, so let's fade it out a little bit. And just make a loop with it. Then we're gonna add some claps. Just a really simple drum pattern. Clap just needs some more delay, I guess, so let's add some reverb to it. And just get a small low cut. Now we're gonna add an open hi-hats to it. Just at every offbeat. Sounding this, so just copy it over. Then we're gonna add a close hi-hat to it to add some more groove. Just on the sweet spot for it. Just around here, so bit too loud, so let's lower the volume, bend it a little bit. Then we only need to add a snare sound to it, so let's go for this one. It adds quite a lot of groove to it, so already kind of close. Then the only thing we need is just a crowd effect, so I think it should be in the packs as well. Just on here. Just really fills up the drum pattern a bit more. So now it's time to get the forms right, so I don't want to claps and kicks a little bit. Same for the open hi-hat. So with the bass line it sounds like this. Could be a little bit, frame could be a little bit down as well. Now with the piano, a bit too loud as well, so just for a limiter on the master channel. Just want to hear some time, so we get more of the professional loudness. So that's it for drums. So now let's listen to the final result. So the final result sounds like this. And that's it for James out of Remake. So if you like the video, please hit like to see more and the subscribe button. And I see y'all next videos.